I'm Shania.
And my name is Joanna, and this is our design thinking project on life below water.
Our UN Global Goal was Goal 14, Life Below Water, and it focuses on conserving and sustainably using the world's oceans, seas, and marine resources. The ocean provides a variety of resources such as medicine, biofuels, and food. For protecting these marine ecosystems, it helps reduce poverty for those that rely on it as a source of income, and it also improves health of both the marine life and consumers.
The problem we're focusing on is people consuming contaminated fish because of pollution. According to the Washington State Department of Health, fish absorb contaminants such as PCBs, PBDEs, dioxins, and chlorinated pesticides from water, sediments, and the food they eat. This is important because people don't know they are eating fish that can make them sick. Contaminants can be passed on to a developing fetus through the placenta and can also cause problems to the central nervous system and the cardiovascular system for adults. Currently, there are no successful solutions to this problem, and it doesn't look like it can be solved in the next 5 years. We at least need a solution that will keep consumers safe. Our solution to this problem is a seafood quality detector. Our product detects the quality of the seafood you buy. It makes the world better by keeping people healthy.
Imagine you're a fish. You're swimming with your fellow fishes and you are looking for something to eat. You see a piece of appetizing food. Thinking it was seaweed, you gobbled it up. You brag to all your friends how you were able to eat a huge piece of chewy seaweed. However, your stomach starts hurting. You just ignore it because you're used to it hurting every time you eat seaweed. Since you're just a fish that knows nothing, you had no idea that you were actually eating plastic. Your health starts to worsen and you get really ill. One day, you're out looking for food again, but this time you get caught in a net. You're now a dead fish about to be sold at a supermarket. Now imagine you're Henry, who is shopping for food. You scan the fish aisle and you happen to choose the fish from the previous point of view. You buy the fish, bring it home, and eat it. However, despite washing it thoroughly, the contaminants still stayed and you end up eating it. A few weeks later, you feel sick and you visit the doctor. They run tests and the doctor tells you, you developed a problem in your nervous system, and we found out it's caused by years of consuming food with toxins in it. This is most likely from contaminated fish based on what you told us about your diet. You then think back about how often you ate fish, but then had no idea that it wasn't clean enough.
Okay.
Now you wish there was a way for you to know how clean your food is.
Here's 10 ideas we came up with before we decided which solution to focus on. The oil alternative would be more natural and wouldn't be harmful to wildlife even if it's spilled in the ocean. The animal safe laser would have zapped pollution out of the ocean. The helicopter net would be an ocean net that catches pollution and is pulled up by a helicopter. The trash cement idea would work by grinding up the trash and mixing it with cement and asphalt to build roads, buildings, and bridges. The trash eaters idea was one of our out of the box thinking ideas. The trash eaters would be made in a lab and would be set out into the ocean to consume all of the trash. The alternative car fuel would be made out of trash that was found in the ocean. The robots would turn trash into fuel for themselves. The plastic that would be found in the ocean would be used to create new plastic, which would be biodegradable. The book covers would be made from plastic that would be found in the ocean, and our final idea was called the portal, and it was another one of our out of the box thinking ideas. It would be a portal that we'd throw the trash into, and it would travel to another dimension.
Out of all of our ideas, we chose smart seafood. We believe in cleaner fish, healthier life.
For the seafood lovers, our product provides reassurance and safe options because being aware of how clean and sanitary the food you consume will lead to a healthier life. It is a device that uses technology to scan the whole fish and tell you whether you are eating a safe piece of seafood or seafood that is contaminated. There are three important parts that make up this device: the power button that turns the device on, the scanner, which will determine the safety of your fish, and the screen that shows your results and displays a settings option. We viewed similar products and came up with categories to compare each product to. Yes means they have the feature, and no means they don't. As you can see, Smart Seafood met the standard while others were missing some. Smart Seafood detects the freshness, and it is also affordable, with the price ranging from $60 to $70. Our competitors' prices are $130, and one of them isn't available for individual use. Smart Seafood is about the size of a cell phone, so it is very portable. Not only does it detect the freshness of your food, but it also detects the contaminants of it.
That is all. Thank you for listening. Does anyone have any questions?